Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, just look at the mess. I really needed to clean my room and basically just kind of get my life back on track because this mess it felt like it was inhibiting me in every area of my life and I just could not take it anymore. So here we are today. I hope today's video motivates you to clean up your room or space. And if you enjoy motivational cleaning videos like this one, definitely subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any future uploads. So I actually had somewhere I needed to go later on, so I wanted to clean my room as fast as possible. So I went about it very strategically and started off with my bed and washed my covers right after, so my sheets could be completely cleaned and dried by the time I was finished cleaning my room.
I can't deny it's a lonely party.
So after getting rid of like half of my wardrobe, I got some new clothes, which I never got a chance to hang up. So I'm just hanging up all those clothes, and then I moved on to that beautiful mess on the floor. So I have two bins that I keep under my bed. I use one bin for tech stuff and the other I use for like my bath and body stuff. But a lot of the like lotions in there are scented, and scented lotions, like depending on the brand, irritates my skin. So I don't use the lotions that often. And you know, it's been a while since I've used it, so they're probably expired.
You can keep your better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl a space. You can keep your better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, way. Mom and dad's only daughter.
My laundry bin was getting way too full, so I just brought everything down to my basement, but I wasn't gonna wash any of that because like I said, we are on a time crunch. I was trying to finish as quickly as possible, so I just left it down there. And honestly, it's the next day and I still haven't done the laundry, but I will be doing it very soon, probably tomorrow.
When it gets hard, I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break?
Moving on to my dressing table, I've been wanting to see this table cleared for weeks, but my time management skills has been all over the place. Like, it just hasn't been that great. I actually started taking a course on Skillshare called The Art of Planning. So it's called Master Time Management and Increase Productivity by Anouk Rose. So this course is basically about how to become more productive, manage your time better. And I started to implement some of those things. Hopefully I stick to it. Well, clearly I haven't totally stuck to it because, I mean, my room is messy, but I mean, me cleaning my room today is evidence that something is clicking because I woke up early to do this. But anyway, Skillshare has thousands of aspiring classes like this one, like organizing your life, building a website, you know, whatever you can possibly think of, they have on their platform. Since they are the sponsor of today's video, they gave me a code to share with you all. So the first 1,000 people to use my link that's in the description box or my code, Allyson Boubert, will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So if you guys are interested, all of that will be in my description box.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking.
So by this point, I figured my laundry was done. So I went to go check on it and I was right, it was done. I took all my stuff out the washer and put it in the dryer for about, I think, 20 to 30 minutes. Sheets dry super fast, so it didn't take that long.
Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I got. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got.
Usually when I go through the clothes on my floor, I always try to separate the clean ones from the dirty ones. Today, I just did not want to because they were all covered in dust. So to me, they were all dirty and they just needed to go in the laundry basket.
Gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay. Gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new.
Don't even pay attention to the decor in my room. I know it's a little confusing and a bit of a mess. I don't really know what to do. I kind of feel stuck and very uninspired. I'm at this weird crossroads where I kind of don't want to buy new furniture because I know I'm going to be leaving within the year and I'm not keeping any of the furniture. So why buy furniture to then not keep it? But I don't know. Do you guys have any ideas of ways that I could spice up my room without like getting rid of the furniture I have?
Gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. Cause gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Sometimes. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life-bilder, jo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig, På det jag lägger all min tid. Jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Vi kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker vilket kap jag gjort.
We're finally moving on to my makeup table. I just kind of quickly put things back in its place. I didn't really declutter or anything. I do have a decluttering video that I could leave if you guys want to see like a makeup declutter, but I just want to put everything away, clean the countertop, and move on.
Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid. Jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Vi kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om igenom. Jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igenom. Stay with me please. Jag vet det bara life om igenom. Jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igenom. Stay with me please. Du lägger till, du är där för mig. Jag svär mitt liv, kretsar runt dig baby. Du bär på mina bebek så att när jag visionerar vår framtid. Låt mig hålla dig baby. Hey, yeah.
At this point, I was feeling very weak. I should have stopped to eat something, but I just am always afraid that I'm never going to go back after I eat because I associate eating with like, relaxing. But yeah, I really need to stop doing that because cleaning on an empty stomach is a no.
Show me the car where you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like Conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets on.
Now I'm just cleaning my mirrors. I always wipe it down with a microfiber towel first to get rid of all the dust, and then I spray it down. The glass cleaner that I was using sucked, so it did an okay job, but it did get the job done. I didn't feel like vacuuming, so I just swept my carpet and then swept the rest of my room. Vacuuming would have been better, but the broom got the job done.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you're trying, you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you're trying, you try really hard, but sometimes you fall.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it super helpful and motivational. If you guys did, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any future uploads. I hope you guys have an amazing day or night, and I can't wait to talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.